Are you ready to take your powder coating business to the next level? In today's video, we're talking about the secret to landing lucrative B2B, business-to-business contracts that can skyrocket your powder coating income. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your operation, B2B contracts are where the real money in powder coating is. I'm going to show you exactly how to find them, pitch your services, and keep those clients coming back for more. Unlike custom projects or small jobs, B2B contracts provide consistent work, larger volumes, and often higher profit margins. Think car manufacturers, metal fabricators, and construction companies. Businesses that need a really nice, high quality, durable finish for their products. And the best part, once you land a good contract, you're not just a service provider, you are now a partner that they rely on. First, you need to identify any businesses in your area that could use your powder coating services. Here's a good place to start. Look for local manufacturing companies, fabrication shops, industrial equipment manufacturers, and construction firms. I like to use tools like LinkedIn or go onto online business directories, or even use Google to find local potential customers. And don't forget about networking. Events like trade shows and industry meetups are a great place to meet that new customer. Businesses will want to see some proof that you can deliver quality work. Make sure you have a very professional, well-designed website, a portfolio of before and after shots of some of the work you've done, and testimonials or case studies from past clients. Video showcasing your process can help too. Also, here's a pro tip. If you're just starting out and don't have any B2B experience, powder coat some sample pieces like industrial parts or tools, and you can use those to demonstrate your capabilities. Now that you've done your research and built a portfolio, it's time for the pitch. Here's how. I like to use cold emails or calls to reach out to decision makers, usually production managers or procurement officers, and keep it short. Highlight your expertise and offer to solve their pain points. In-person visits are also a great way to spread the word about your business. Drop by local businesses with a few samples of your work. Nothing beats a good old face-to-face meeting. You can also leverage social media. Post your work on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and tag relevant businesses to draw eyes to your social media. Networking here can land you a surprising opportunity. Here's an example pitch. Hi, client name. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick with Right Now Powder Coating. We specialize in high quality powder coating for industrial and custom projects. I notice your company produces widgets, and I'd love to show you how we can improve your finish quality and durability. Can we set up a time to talk? Once you've got their attention, focus on what sets you apart. Are your turnaround times faster? Is your quality unmatched? Do you offer competitive pricing? Make it all about how you can make life easier for them. Remember, it's not just about closing the first deal, it's about building trust for a long-term partnership. Once you have the job, deliver great results, communicate clearly, and always go the extra mile to make them happy. Here are a few extra tips to seal the deal. Offer free samples. Coating a few parts for free can be a game changer. Let them see your quality firsthand. Be flexible. Businesses often need customized solutions, so be ready to adjust to their needs. Also, make sure to leverage word of mouth. Satisfied clients will recommend you to others, so always ask for referrals. Invest in equipment. With B2B powder coating, there can be hundreds or even thousands of parts to coat. So invest in equipment that can keep up with the volume. And there you have it. B2B contracts can transform your powder coating business if you approach them right. Remember, research, pitch, deliver, and build relationships. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more powder coating tips and business advice. Until then, go out and coat something.